Hello friends, welcome. We know how to get this subscribe icon in your channel. Let's start. First you will open your menu and open your Google Chrome, then type www.youtube.com and search. Change that site with 3 dots, desktop site, click on it, then it will be like your PC computer. It will be visible like your computer. Then click on your channel icon, then open your Creative Studio. It will be take some time. Then open my channel. Then tap on the branding. Then click on the add watermark symbol. Then upload your watermark. Choose your file from your gallery. Then save it. It will be take some time for saving some changes. Watermark will be appears, then save it. The changes will be saved. You will also change last 5 minutes or the end of the video. Some options is there. Then update it, save it, share, subscribe and like this video. Thank you.